Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Quick tutorial about making interactive, maths activities or tasks using Keynote. You can see here I've got a little probability kind of question that I can kind of airdrop to my kids. And it's a really simple project. Basically, all we did is go to some objects, a range of different objects. You can use anything that you like. Let's keep moving on. Got some symbols here. You could use any one of those. I'm just going to use something that we can use in regard to, let's go back to kind of food. Have I got a bowl or something there? Yeah. So I might use that bowl, for example. It's a case of bringing it in. You can click on your paintbrush and actually change the style of that. So I might just make it white, but I might put a colored border on it just to make it kind of ping a little bit. Increase the width of that, and you can see I've got something similar there. And then it's just a case of filling up your different content. If it goes behind there, very easily we can just arrange that and bring it to the top. Hopefully that'll come down now. Yep. And then it's a case of just providing some kind of drag and drop activities there. What is the probability of pulling out a red ball, a blue ball? Get kids to actually create the questions and create the probability tasks to give each other. Just a great way of getting kids to create some content instead of just handing out worksheets and so forth, and getting kids to start thinking about different mathematical concepts using Keynote. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.